Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to wash your beauty sponges with 3 simple ingredients. The first ingredient is some olive oil, and the second ingredient is some dishwashing liquid, and the third is some warm water. So we will start off by placing the dirty beauty sponges in a bowl. Make sure the bowl is clean and pour in some olive oil. And now we will soak our dirty sponges into the olive oil. Make sure the sponge absorbs all the olive oil. That's how it's going to make the dirt come off much easier. Make sure all the olive oil has been soaked into the sponges. And now you will squeeze out all the dirt from the sponge. Most of the dirt has been squeezed out already. Now we're going to add some dishwashing detergent, dishwashing liquid into the bowl. And now comes the washing part. We're gonna wash the sponges, and the oil just makes the washing much easier because half of the dirt has already been removed through the oil in here. And just soak the sponges in the water mixture. Now the temperature of the water is completely up to you. You can make sure it's hot, boiling, or lukewarm. I prefer working with hot water. Once you've washed the sponges, make sure you just let the sponges sit in the mixture for around 3 to 5 minutes, just until the water has cooled down. We're gonna run the sponges through some warm water. There's also soap in the sponges, so make sure you get rid of the dirt and the soap residue because you don't want soapy sponges. Now we're doing the second sponge. We've gotten rid of all the dirt, now we're just getting rid of the soap. Here are our 2 clean sponges. It's really important that you wash your sponges as much as you can, just to get rid of all the dirt, because it's responsible for causing acne and other problems onto your skin. So make sure all your equipment and all your brushes and sponges are clean. I'm taking a closer look at the sponge. You see there's no stains of foundation, highlighter, nothing. It's all makeup free and it looks as good as new. So it's important you wash your sponges. Thanks for watching.